AI is everywhere. This technology will blow your mind because every field is taken by AI. You will no longer need calculators. AI can be your doctor. It can be your gaming partner. AI 3D technology. You can do anything with the help of AI, artificial intelligence, because AI will change the world. Hey, hello, in this video we'll talk about artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world and its impact is profound. Subscribe to this channel for more. Here are 10 ways AI is shaping our future. No one improved business automation. Approximately 55% of organizations have already adopted AI to some extent. This trend suggests increased automation for businesses. No to entertainment created by AI. AI-generated content such as music, art and literature is becoming more prevalent. Algorithms can compose music, create visual art, and even write stories. No 3 education transformation. AI-powered personalized learning platforms adapt to individual student needs. Virtual tutors, automated grading, and personalized recommendations enhance education. No 4 AI in decision-making. AI assists in critical decisions across various domains, from healthcare to finance. Predictive analytics and machine learning models help professionals make better choices. No 5 coding becomes obsolete. Low-code and no-code platforms allow people to create software without extensive coding knowledge. AI-driven tools generate code, making development more accessible. No 6 revolutionized work life. Streamlines tasks, reduces repetitive work, and enhances productivity. It enables remote work, automates processes, and improves collaboration. No 7 autonomous transportation. Drive less cars. Drones will become common. AI ensures safer and more efficient transportation systems. AI influence extends across industries, revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact with the world. If you enjoy the video, hit like, share, subscribe to this channel for more.